Alright, we're doing a video running out of daylight, so I had to cut some lights on in the car. But Tootsie's present just arrived, and so I'm gonna do a video on what I got her. But anyhow, before I show it to you, I was laying in bed the other night, or a few weeks ago, whatever, and I said, I gotta do something, because where we're traveling more, I thought, man, if I was to ever get in a wreck or anything like that, you know, I always worried about Tootsie, you know, something happening to her and everything. And so I got on the internet, got shopping around, and found this little contraption that hopefully will at least keep her from getting hurt as bad. But there's Tootsie. Say hey to Tootsie. I mean, Tootsie, say hey to everybody. It's been a long day. It's been a hard day too, but I'm alright though. But there is what I bought her. Lord, I've run out of daylight. You can't hardly see. But it's a seat belt that will hook to her harness. So if I was to ever have to hit the brakes or somebody hit me, she wouldn't go flying down in the floorboard or up against the dash and getting hurt, or possibly the other. Because I don't want nothing happening to this youngin' here. I'd never forgive myself, and Mama would come back and haunt me. But I probably got a little bit of more adjusting to do, because I've got it, I shortened it up, but it's definitely got where it's going to have a hold of her. So I'm going to do a little bit more adjusting and everything. But yeah, so that's what she got. Like I said, it's more for me than it was for her, but at least I'll be able to travel more and be a little bit more eased as far as on my mind, having my mind eased. So if something was to happen, at least hopefully she won't get hurt as bad. So, hey Tootsie, hey, tell everybody bye. Tell everybody bye. What you doing? What you doing? Huh? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Huh? Huh? What you doing? What you doing? Tell everybody bye. Say thanks for watching. You can like and comment. We always like answering comments, especially Tootsie. Yeah. Don't you? Yeah. Yeah. But we'll see you on the next video, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next go round.